So let's jump into this tutorial. We are going to divide our hair in half, and then we are going to brush through our hair because we do not want to curl those knots. And we're just going to take random pieces of hair, big and small, and just curl away from our face. And we're going to do this throughout the entire hair tutorial. Once we get to the top portion of our head, I like taking bigger chunks, that way it flows nicely. And then after we're done curling, we're just going to run our fingers through, kind of separating them, even though they kind of will bunch up together later on. But then we are going to take the side chunks of our hair and just pin them back with a bobby pin. Now for some pizzazz, we are going to make a fishtail braid on one side of our head. We are going to take a piece of hair, separate it in half, and then take little pieces, and like a braid, we're just going to go back and forth until you reach the length that you want it to be. Then once you got the length down, you want to tie it off with a rubber band, and then you just want to pull the braid so that it becomes a bit loose. Now for our beat, we're going to take the Too Faced Shadow Insurance and we're just going to prime our eyelids. Then we're going to go in with the Natural Love palette, and I chose this one because the little rabbits, that reminded me of Easter. And we're going to take Moonbeam, and using our finger we're just going to rub that all over our lid. Doesn't have to be nice. And then we're going to take Nudie and just add it to the crease for some definition, kind of like bronzer. And for our brow bone highlight, we're going to take Spotlight, and then we're going to go in with Makeup and Chill and just line our lash line with that brown color, nothing too dramatic. And then taking the Benefit Roller Lash, which I forgot to put in the video, I'm just going to coat my lashes and then go in with any wispy falsies. Then I'm going to take these two primers and add the luminizing one to the high points of my face, and then using the Smashbox one and just hiding any pores that I see. Lately my skin has been a bit dry, and so to combat that I use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundations and a drop of moisture, maybe not even a drop, like half a drop of moisturizer, and just add that to my foundation. And as you can see, the coverage is still there, but it's kind of luminous and moisturizing, and you can do this with any foundation. Now taking the OG concealer, the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in medium, I'm just going to highlight all the dull areas of my face. As you can see, it's in the shade medium, but it's a bit lighter, like one shade lighter than my actual skin tone. So this is my favorite way to contour lately. I take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut, I believe, and then I just do my usual contour areas, but be very light-handed with this, because if you put too much, as you can see, it'll be very muddy, but you can just fix that by going over with your beauty blender, the one that you used your foundation and concealer on later, to just even everything out. And now we're done with all our creams. We're going to set everything down with the Photo Focus pressed powder. Now going in with a pencil brush and into Nudie, we're going to hit our bottom lash line one time, and then going in with Makeup and Chill another time, just closer to the lash line. And then I use this Clinique little mascara thing because I got itty bitty baby lashes. And then taking the MAC Lingering Eyebrows Crayon, and I'm just going to do my eyebrows. Lately I've been liking to do a more natural, not completely Instagram eyebrow. And now taking this amazing Inudendo highlighting palette and taking fine lines and just highlighting all the high points. Now for some blush in action, we're going to take Melon Wine by Wet n Wild, and then using the Real Her I Am Unstoppable lip pencil, we're just going to line our lips, and then we're going to use a peachy pinky liquid lip. This is a Nudist Peach, and we're just going to fill in our lips. So I didn't like how pink it was. I used the NYX Butter Gloss in Madeline, and just to tone it down and neutralize it a little bit. And set everything off with a good setting spray, and boom, we're done. Once our face is glowy, we want our body to be glowy too, so I add these little Temp 2 glow drops and some lotion and just add them to my arms and my shoulders and décolleté, and there you have it, BBs. There's the Easter. Happy Easter, buddy. What? Bye, guys.